Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Today we're getting some 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts again. We're supposed to have strong winds for the next couple days, so that's fun, I guess. Not. For some reason, the wind completely stopped. It's so weird. It is very weird. I'm trying to look at that Chinese elm over there. That massive one, but y'all can't see it. It is somewhere there. Let's see. It's behind those. There it is. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's there. There goes the wind. There goes my cypress. We also cut some branches off. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll leave a link here. There's some birds. There goes the wind. Well, there it goes. What a crazy day. It has been a crazy day. Just lopping limbs off. Oh my gosh. Bro, that tree back there went crazy. Dude, that mulberry just went crazy. It was like... Yeah, those mulberry trees are very flexible. Oh, it's picking up, guys. It's just a beautiful evening, you know, with the gusty winds. There is no severe weather for the rest of this month, so that's kind of a good catch. There's also no rain for the rest of this month, so that's cool. I don't know if we'll have a drought, but it's kind of possible. Well, probably it rained too hard for us to have a drought because the rain's still there. Oh, there goes the cypress. There goes the cypress. Okay. Let's see if we can get a swishing noise out of it. Well, probably not going to hear it, but I'm still going to do it. I stand in this little porch area to block the wind from entering the microphone. Oh yeah, you can clearly see those Bradford pears over there. I'm just kidding, that was me. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. It still has leaves on it. Even though with leaves on it, it swishes pretty loudly, but it's also, with leaves on it, swishes kind of quietly. There goes the wind back there. Let's see if that mulberry tree does anything. I'm just gonna sit here and film for like a minute. So when it hits the 5 o'clock mark, then I'll go show the rest of the wind. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but the wind completely stopped. That's so weird. All right, let's see. Let's see if it does anything else. I'm cooling my phone off because it's so hot out here. So I apologize for the blowing noise. Okay. Still not doing anything. It's been a full minute, dude. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, it's not going to do anything. Right as I look the camera away, it just does something crazy. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, there goes the mulberry. Okay. I hear something. I hear a tree swishing. Let's go over here and see. There you go. Okay. Well, there goes. There goes mulberry. There goes mulberry. There goes mulberry. Okay, the AC turned off. Okay, that means we get more swishing noises. Yeah, those Bradford pear, that Bradford pear just grew its tops back. Oh, I hear swishing noises. Wow. Wow, this is nuts. Well, it's not nuts. All right, guys, I'm going to go to the backyard, so I'll see you in a moment. Oh, there goes another gust. My goodness. All right, let's go to the back. All right, we're here in the back. Bro, what is going on with my camera? The camera's like kind of blurry. I don't know what's going on with my camera. You guys can't see like in the times or whatever. Yeah, this is my new dead tree. As you can see, it's new. If I go to do a wiggle test on it. Yeah, there it is. I don't know why there's like a bunch of flies around it. Dude, there are so many flies by my dead tree. I guess they like my dead tree. It's pretty cool. Get out of here, flies, before I kill you. Yeah, there's really no wind yet. Like, bro. I'm climbing the ladder so you can get a view of that Chinese elm. Oh, wow. I might be up here for the rest of the video. There goes the wind. Look at my tree. Oh, it's blowing real good. Seems like every time a cloud gets close by, the winds go crazy. Like when a cloud gets close. Oh my gosh, my tree's going crazy. I hope it doesn't go out of style. Man, that mulberry's going crazy. Yeah, the winds are stronger in the back because there's a lot of houses. Oh, man. Look at all the branches we piled up. I can't believe I'm already yawning. Dude, I am tired. I am so hungry. And when I... Oh. There goes the window over there. Every time I... Alright, sorry about that. Oh my... Bro, that Chinese elm just went crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, not much is happening right now. Just wind. It's probably going to be like 20-mile-an-hour wind gusts, but it's actually 30. I record winds that are 30 miles an hour or higher. I don't know what people are doing out here. Yeah, it's currently the evening time. Today's Saturday, June 21st, I think. Yeah, I'm on summer break right now. Yeah, this tree will be dead by the time another bad storm hits. It's very flexible right now because it has the leaves on it. See that branch with the no leaves? It's not moving as much. So yeah, those leaves will eventually die. It's just going to take a little while. It's probably going to take like a couple days. There goes the wind. There goes the wind. Oh, wow. It's kind of like filming a storm. My goodness, I just heard something. I'm trying to go a bit higher in this ladder. There's that Chinese elm. Okay, I can't go any higher. I'm like as tall as the window. My tree is taller than me. So that's cool. I tried to put it upright, but it wouldn't work. It just has to go out sideways. That's kind of crazy. There goes a wind. For some reason, it looks like a palm tree. Like the leaves are kind of palmish. But it looks like a pine tree. Well, I'm going to end this video, y'all. It's going to take a little while to upload, but I don't care. So I appreciate y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed these wins. And I'll see y'all in the next video.